Baby, don't hug me. Don't hug me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hug me. Don't hug me no more. I just wanted to hop on for a minute, relay a quick sentiment. Imagine, if you will, for a moment, that you're on a beach at twilight and you're walking away from your significant person of interest because, something isn't computing with person of interest. And you're walking away and person of interest shouts to you, "But I have love for you." And you're like, "Thanks, that's terrific. But you're not giving any of it to me." That's like having a refrigerator full of food and you're like, "Look at all this food that I have in the refrigerator. And it's all for you. But you can't come into my house. I understand that you're very hungry, but I can't have you. I'm not going to let you in to my house." Now, your instinct might just be to go, "Well, this is offensive and insulting, so I'm just going to leave." But instead, you say, "Why not?" And person of interest stops for a minute, has a puzzled expression, like a computer searching for data, the search engine, their brain. They're confused. They're not sure. They haven't really thought about that. And then it dawns on them, "Well, because I have so many things to do, I have to do all the things or something first. And then you can come in." And then you're like, "Okay, so how long is that going to take?" And they say, "I don't know." You're like, "Is it going to be a really long time?" "I don't know." You're like, "Okay, well, can I help you do some of these things?" Because I'd like to. And that might expedite, the whole, meal preparation arrangements or whatever. Because while we're at it, I too have tasks to do. Frankly, I'd love, your input on any number of things. So there's that. Maybe we could help each other out. That'd be cool. But if they just stand there looking confused, or if you just end up staring at each other like a couple of fucking lunatics, I don't know. I don't understand. So, is this a real thing? Do you really need to get a bazillion tasks done first to present some shining image of yourself or something? Not interested in that. So is that it? Or do you genuinely need to do this for some kind of growth thing? And if that's the case, is there some kind of happy intermedium? Because I would like to go have dinner somewhere. Essentially, that's what I'm getting down to. And if that's not going to happen here anytime soon, and by soon, I mean probably pretty soon now, because the hour is getting late. What did they say in Lord of the Rings about the hour, the conjurer? "Late is the hour in which this conjurer chooses to appear." But yeah, these would be good questions, I think, for any provision hoarding enthusiast and tempter. Because, look at all the provisions I got for you, but you can't have any, because reasons. I don't know, I haven't really thought about it. It might be worth considering. Looking in on that, because, might not want to miss certain kinds of opportunities. Just saying. I'd rather not. So, yeah. On that, the detective has a function to attend to, so I gotta go. So for now, thanks for tuning in. And until next time.